lesson plan integrates continuous comprehensive evaluation, विस्तारित evaluation. Below is CC model lesson plan for here is a model lesson plan for class 10. Acid base salt CC model lesson plan class incorporating the principle of a continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Skill development. Acid base salt. Curricular goals and academic standard. Goals. Students will explore their physical world, understand scientific principles, drawing linkages between scientific knowledge, understand scientific principle को academic standard competency, academic standard competency, academic standard competency. Actually, conceptual understanding. Explain the BD, All India, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Nagarjun. Explain concept of acid base salt. Acid base salt. Everything acid base salt. Hypothesis about experimental result. Color changes. Question hypothesis. Ask question about phenomena. What phenomena hochi? And form hypothesis. Experimental result. Experimentation field trips. Relate a concept to real world application. Data analysis and representation. Demonstrate and analyze data from experimentation. Force acid and base in tables. Draw and model making. Explain the concept of acid base and salt, including their properties. Explain the concept of acid base and salt. Teaching learning activity pedagogy. Actually, the learning process will involve a mix of demonstration, group. Learning process will involve mixed demonstration. शिक्षक बन के बच्चे को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ाओ, देश के बारे में पढ़ाओ. डर लगता है घर में पढ़ाओ, इंडिविजुअली पढ़ाओ, मगर देश का हालत बुरा है. प्रोसीजर. स्टूडेंट इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए. प्रोटेस्ट करने से नौकरी मिलने से, प्रोटेस्ट करने से नहीं नौकरी मिलता है. प्रोसीजर. स्टूडेंट्स यूज वेरियस नेचुरल टर्मरिक एंड रेड कैबेज. डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. टीचर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करेंगे. ग्रुप प्रदर्शन, ग्रुप वर्क, हैंड ऑन एक्टिविटीज, फोकसिंग ऑन फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट. फॉर्मेटिव. प्रोसीजर. स्टूडेंट यूज वेरियस नेचुरल टर्मरिक, कैबेज, रेड कैबेज, बंधा, synthetic indicators, litmus, test different household substance, lemon juice, soap water, vinegar, soap water, synthetic. Teacher observes students' experimental skills, data recording, and their ability. Classify substance as acidic, base, or neutral. Teacher of assessment. Procedure. Experimental skills, data recording ability, reactions, acid base. Procedure. Demonstration of group activity on reaction. Group activity of acid with metals, zinc and dilute HCl. Base with use neutral acid base. Question answer session during the activity to check understanding of the question answer. Actually, teacher checking the understanding of the reactions and products formed. Oral explanation of the why behind the observations. And procedure. Student collect soil samples from different area. Oral explanation the why behind the observation पीछे क्या है. Soil samples from different area, garden and roadside. Determine their pH using universal indicator of pH. Research the ideal pH of plant growth. Suggest method to alter soil pH. Assessment. Evaluation of the project report. Data analysis, finding, presentation, and their applications of scientific knowledge to an environmental context. Evaluation of a project report को evaluation करेंगे. Data analysis, finding, presentation, finding करेंगे, and their application of scientific knowledge to environmental context, evaluation of the project report को evaluation assessment procedure, data analysis, finding presentation, scientific knowledge to environmental context. CC based evaluation strategy. Continuously comprehensive covering both scholastic and co-scholastic aspect. Observation. Day-to-day observation of student participation, engagement and practical skill during activities and discussions. Practical skills. Oral test. Questioning during class quizzes and group discussions. Questioning during class quizzes and group discussions. Oral test. Class quiz group discussion. Day-to-day observation, participation, engagement. Maintaining a portfolio of lab records. Activity reports and worksheet to track progress. Maintaining a portfolio of lab records. Activity reports and worksheet to track progress के लिए. Maintaining lab records, activity reports. ए धड़ा धड़ा आनियो केमिकल जी चॉकलेट चॉकलेट खाओ ताप जो चॉकलेट किने आनियो maintaining portfolio of lab records, activity reports, encouraging students to evaluate their own work and their group members contribution. Encouraging students को encourage करते to evaluate their own work and their group member contribution. Maintaining portfolio of lab records, maintain करते activity reports, worksheet to track progress. Encouraging students to evaluate their own work, encourage students को and their group members contribution. ANA paper test. Short chapter end test with analytical open-ended questions. Assess conceptual understandings. Application analysis and higher order thinking skills rather than just rote memorization. CC model lesson plan aims to make the learning of acid base and salts a holistic experience focusing on developing key competency and life skills through continuous engagement and varied assessment. CC model lesson plans aims to make a learning of acid base and salts holistic experience focusing on developing key competencies and life skills through continuous engagement.